white and green flag in the air then, ready to go then for heat number 3. Eyes on the lights, away they go then in Honda Cadet. Even start for those on the front row of the grid, but it looks like Morgan Hill has retained the lead from pole position as they go into turn 1 and turn 2. And a bit of a gap already back to 4th place. The top 3, 22, 44 and 54 away. That's Hill, Sakai and Devon Nolan. Quite spread out start there. A couple of drivers already off the back of the field. Oh, somebody in trouble cutting across the grass there on the run into increment, and a couple of drivers at the back as well. The number 53, I think that might be, in trouble. That would be Macie Hitter, who started in 29th position. And there's trouble down at Ashby Corner as well, as the... Oh, it's Oscar Chewton. Oscar Chewton is out, so this is not good news at all. Oscar Chewton, who had an incident, not of his own making, in heat number 1 now. I hope he's okay. He's lying on the ground there. 90 it's the 98, sorry, Callum GHOSH is involved. Red flag, first red flag of the day for an incident. I imagine this is what Ashby. Medical attention there. So drivers observing the red flag very well. Time stopped there at 6 minutes and 56 seconds of the race to go. So I imagine the drivers will come back around 8. We saw this bank holiday weekend. Let's hope this is a clean start and isn't like the first start which saw the red flag, of course. Away they go then. Even start again. Morgan Hill chops across, retakes or holds onto the lead, and already on the grass there is the number 60 of Alexander Hawkett. But apart from that, everybody else has got through the first couple of corners clean and okay. Morgan Hill goes defensive on the run up to Christmas Corner, and again it's the top 3 that are already edging away from the rest of the field. So as we saw in the first start, 4th place already starting to drop back, and Devon Nolan's had a good start. He's up into the top 3. Oh, big hit again, and it's down at Ashby. Someone popped up in the air massively there. And no, they all got through. They all got through, so remarkably there. I thought somebody was going to be stopped at Ashby Corner again, but they have all got through relatively unscathed. Let's have a little look at that again. So this is coming down into Ashby Corner. Who was it popping up? The all. Sakai leads, Ryutaro Sakai in number 44, he leads, he's taken the lead away from Morgan Hill. Devon Nolan has followed through in the number 54. Look at the number 49 that is coming through the order, that's Bobby Rosier. He's had a very good start. Sonny Mortensen is up there as well, he's got up to 4th place, he's displaced Harrison Morrow down to 5th. Top 4 need to work together now. This is the point at which they need to pull away from the rest of the field. Oh, there's a contact there in a roll, and that's going to be another red flag. That's one of the novices that's gone over and rode up on the top. It was 2 of the novices coming together, and unfortunately, yeah, second red flag of the day in the same race. Driver's perfectly fine. That was a fairly it's going to sound very odd, folks, but as a roll goes, that was pretty much as good as you could get. It was a fairly soft one. Drivers in a little bit of shock, of course. The number 37 there, that's Charlie Mills. He was involved in the incident down at Ashton Ross and Harrison's Logan Bennett. That is your grid then for this 3rd attempt at getting E3 of the Honda Cadets up and underway. Ross, Harrison's and Lloyd and Logan Bennett. That is your grid then for this 3rd attempt at getting E3 of the Honda Cadets up and underway. Away they go then. Another good start for Morgan Hill in the number 22. He takes the lead as they go into the first couple of corners. Ryutaro Sakai looks like he's retained 2nd place. Now, has Devon Nolan been able to take 3rd place again? He has done on the first 2 attempts of starting this race, and I think he's done so again. So another good start for Devon Nolan in the number 54 as the whole Honda Cadet field files up to Christmas Corner. Much better this time. No incidents so far, but this has been the trouble corner. Ashby Corner on lap 1 in start number 1, in lap 2 in start number 2, and there's trouble again down there for a couple of drivers. The number 75 has gone off again, and there was somebody else towards the back of the field as well. But apart from that, everybody else has got through. The 75, is that a driver just trying to warm up tyres and feel how the car feels, or is that a driver in trouble? Couldn't quite tell, but change of lead. Sakai to the front. Now this is what we saw in start number 2. Sakai take the lead at the end of lap 1, but then that got red flagged, as if it never happened. So it's Sakai from Hill, Nolan, Mortensen, Cheek, Camp, Rosier, Gibbons up to 8th place already, Mills and Lynch the top 10 as they go on to lap 2 now. Through Christmas Corner, so far no trouble, no major troubles. It's Harrison Morrow, the number 75, who was in trouble towards the back end of the field, and Alexander Horcut. He's in trouble as well. So far, so good. Everybody running well in this third restart of this race. Very, very to be joined in the comms box. Unfortunately not in this race, but Oscar Tutor is here in the comms box with me. How are you doing, Oscar? Oh, trouble for the number 40 and the number 21. And that is going to be Haley Clifford and James Bell. So they've come together. This is in the boot. They've got going again now. But that's damage to the front of the car, quite substantial damage to the front of the 21 car, James Bell, so that's not going to be good for them. First question, Oscar, how are you? Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty fine, to be honest. I got a bit of the crash earlier, so apart from that, I'm fine, but I'm not allowed to race, so I'm sitting around.
Fair enough. Talk us through what happened, because we didn't actually see it on the cameras.
Well, I got down to the right-hander. I don't get to approach the corner.
Sounds like a pretty bad one. It's never nice when another driver rides over the top. Putting that to one side for the moment. Talk us through your season so far in Honda Cadets. How's it been? Not just here at Whilton Mill.
Good season so far. I won the GP play at PF.
Yep.
I'm currently 8th or 7th in the national champs. Yeah.
Been an unlucky day for the first heat. Having the battle there going to the boots.
Keep the car on the track, keep the car straight, ended up spinning.
Just a couple of karts off at the top end of the circuit. Can't quite make out the numbers. One of them looks to be the 66 and 37's involved as well. So 37 Charlie Mills and 66 Jacob Gilman. So both those drivers were fighting over 15th place. Both drivers out of their karts. Quite a lot of damage I saw there. Oscar to the side of number 66. Didn't look too good. Disappeared out of there. Jacob walking away there, slightly clutching his leg, so I think he might have had a blow to the knee. I don't know how that feels personally around this place. But 2 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Still Ryutaro Sakai leading this one from Morgan Hill. Very, very close between the two of them there. And we talk often, Oscar, about how the way of racing in Honda Cadet is all about momentum. How do you see the rest of this race panning out with Sakai out front?
Well, I can see
turn 15 now.
Jay Lawrence and Reg Haywood pushing towards Kacee.
Haywood's had a good race this one coming up through the back of the field. But it's definitely, you've got a group of about 5 parts up in the front there, which is desperately trying to jump out the back of them as well. So we've often seen, of course, get driver. I remember one race a few years ago here in Hungary where 5 cars went into the boot and the 5th place driver going into the boot and winning the race. That's just the nature of it. How have you enjoyed it over the last few years?
I've enjoyed the Hondas, the level of how we race, the way it comes out of the Hondas, just enjoying it.
Good move there by Mitchell Gibbons of the inside of Joe Cheek. That's 5th place now for the returning Mitchell Gibbons with the late 38 seconds on the board. So there'll be 2 more laps, including the lap driver starting going. Macie hitting those Macie to 9th place past Bobby ROSIER there. Reg HEYWOOD, another move past. And is that a change of lead? Yes, it is a change of lead. So Morgan Hill takes the lead away from Sakai. Morgan Hill now into 1st position. A good pace, has held that 0.15 gap to Sakai very, very strongly in the last few laps, and has decided now is the time to go, now is the time to pounce. There's another spinner towards the back of the field. Up at Christmas corner, time has expired. Drivers will see the final lap board this time around. Can Hill hold on? Gibbons is on the move again, at the inside of Devon Nolan that time, so Gibbons up to 3rd place. Putting himself in a good position here, Oscar, to have a go at least taking 2nd place in the last lap. Here we go then, on to the final lap of the race. Sakai has retaken the lead, so that was what happened in the later stages of the penultimate lap. Morgan Hill trying to find a way through. Gibbons now right on the tail of Morgan Hill. Sakai was correctly defensive on the run up to Christmas corner. We'll go defensive again into Ashby corner. He's got to be careful to the left and to the right. Gibbons tries to go round the outside of Morgan Hill. Has he managed to do it? Yes, he has. Brilliant manoeuvre there by Mitchell Gibbons round the outside of Morgan Hill to take 2nd place. And now, can he take the win away from Ryutaro Sakai as they go into the boot? He cuts to the inside, has a look, and he does the block pass brilliantly. Brilliant stuff from Mitchell Gibbons. On the last lap, there's still battles for 2nd, 3rd, 4th and everything else. But what a win, what a return. Mitchell Gibbons is back and back on form here at Whilton Mill. He takes the win in the long-awaited finish of heat number 3. Ryutaro Sakai might be a little bit disappointed there to come in 2nd place after having led going on to the last lap. Ethian Symonds came through the field as well towards the end in 3rd.